I know Noah, because my mom always tells me Noah's story. It's like a Bible story.
Okay. Can you tell me Noah's story?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you start like, once upon a time.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a man named Noah.
Hmm?
And then the Lord said, Noah, Noah. And then he answered. And then he said, yes, Lord.
Hmm.
And then the Lord said, build the ark, for there is going to be a flood. And then all the people know that they should go inside the ark. And then the bad people was hear the Lord. And then they said, ho, 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 ho. It's just Noah's trick. And then they were building an ark. Shem, Ham, and Japheth were cutting down trees, and then they made the ark, and then they hammered the ark with nails, and then the ark is all finished. And then the elephants and people went inside the ark. One by one went the people, and one by one went the animals. And then Noah said, come on, get inside. There's gonna be a flood. Ho, ho, ho. There's not gonna be a flood, they said, the people said. And then Noah went inside the ark. And then, slowly by slowly, the door closed. Very hard. It's locked forever. They could not get out. And then they were waiting and waiting. And then they heard clip, clop, clip, clop. Went the rain. And then the girls went like this. Because there's a loud rain. And then here it comes. And then the thunder and lightning came. And then what the people said, suddenly they said, help, Jesus, help, Noah, help, open the ark. And then he said, no, I can't. It's just the Lord that closed the door. And then they said, Noah, help, Noah, help. And then there was a dove. The dove went back to the tree and take olive, and then Noah took it out of the dove's beak, and then the dove went back, and then the dove didn't come back. It means that the earth has been dry. And then he opened, and then Jesus opened the door, and then all the animals were happy. They were running out, and they had teams together, and then they won. And then they said, and then they were shouting for joy, like, yay! God is good! And then it was Noah's birthday when the rainbow came. And then they lived happily ever after. The end. See, I know that story.